Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox the OnePlus Wireless Bullet Z. So this is the box in which the earphones come. Behind the box, as you can see, some of the main features are highlighted behind. The MRP says 2190, but the actual price is 2000 rupees, 1990 to be precise. Without wasting further time, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's start by taking off the plastic cover which covers the box. Once we get the plastic cover aside, we get this box which, when pulled from the upper side, reveals the actual earphones. This is not the actual earphone, this is just a print of it, which when turned around, I guess, yeah, when we turn it around, we get the actual earphones. The actual fitting is very good so that the earphones won't get damaged. Below it, we see this box, inside which I think there'll be paperwork. No, we get the red cable through which we can charge the earphones. In case you don't have a cable to charge, the cable is type C, and we get two pairs of earplugs along with the one which is already on the earphone. So in short, you get three pairs of earplugs. You can adjust them according to the size of your ears, and there is some more paperwork. And yes, you are also a member of the Red Cable Club. Let's keep this paperwork and the extra boxes aside and have a look at the earphones itself. The box itself has a soft touch inside it, feels like a sponge. So I guess that is done purposely so that the earphones won't get damaged. Let's remove the earphones out of the box. As I'm removing the earphones, I can actually feel that the neck band is actually soft. So I don't think there will be any problem to keep it on your neck for a longer period of time. And the earphones are also light enough. Now let me show you how to connect these earphones to your phone. Simply go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. Take the earphones and separate them, which are connected to each other via magnets. As soon as you separate them, you will get a notification, and then you just have to click on the tap to pair button, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and that's it. That's how easy it is to connect these earphones to your phone. And as you tap on the settings, you will get some additional settings which you can configure according to your use. Yes, it is that easy to connect these earphones. One more small but a very important feature is that when you look under the Bluetooth option, you get to see the percentage of the battery which is remaining on the earphones. Disconnecting these earphones also couldn't be more easier. The only thing you have to do is bring both the earphones together, and that's it. The earphones get disconnected by themselves. So this was the unboxing and the first look at the earphones itself and a basic step of how to connect them to your phones. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.